Guys, welcome back to my channel Medilite MBBS. I'm Drakshini Chogle, currently a third year MBBS student at Lokmanya Tilak Municipal Medical College, Mumbai. So this is the second video on Medical Weekly Dose. So without any further delay, let's start with this video. The first news is related to the bond service. The MCI has recently proposed a uniform bond across India. So I'll be talking about all the three categories, that is UG, PG and super speciality. So let's start with UG. So those who want to do defense services, they are first of all exempted from this, and the UG bond is categorized into two parts. One is through AIQ, the student who got admission through AIQ, and the other is for the student who got admission through state quota. So let's talk about AIQ student who got admission, how they have to do a maximum of 1 year service, and if not able to do so, they have to pay a bond money of 10 lakh rupees. So the student who got admission through state quota, they have to do a bond service of 1 year. If not able to do so, they have to pay around 15 lakh rupees as a bond money. So the second category is the student who got PG admission. Again, those who want to do defense services are again exempted. So this is also categorized into two parts, that is AIQ as well as state quota. So let's start with AIQ. Those who the student or the doctors who got admission through AIQ in PG courses have to give 1 year bond service, and if not able to do so, they have to pay around 15 lakh rupees as a bond money. The student who got admission through state quota, if they have to do a bond service of 2 years, and if not able to do so, they have to pay around 20 lakh rupees. The next category is for the super speciality. Again, if they want to join defense services, they are again exempted, and this is not categorized. Super speciality courses, the selection is through NEET super speciality. The MCI has not categorized into state quota or AIQ. So the student or the doctors who got admission have to give a bond service of 2 years. If not able to do so, they have to pay around 20 lakh rupees as a bond money. So this was all the thing related to bond which MCI has recently proposed, and want a uniform bond all across India. The second news is related to the Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine. So the Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine 2020, this year Nobel Prize is awarded to 3 scientists who have made their decisive contribution to fight against blood-borne hepatitis C, which is a major global health problem that causes cirrhosis and liver cancer in the people around the world. So for this, Nobel Prize is awarded to Harvey J. Alter, Michael Huntington and Charles M. Rice. Third news is a good news for the student who appeared for NEET UG 2020. This is regarding the number of seats which have been increased in JIPMER. So JIPMER has increased the number of seats from 200 to 249. The Pondicherry campus has increased from 150 to 187, and the Karakal campus has increased from 50 to 62. So if we see the revised seat structure in Pondicherry campus is 57 for unreserved candidates, 13 for EWS candidates, 36 for OBC, 19 for SC and 9 for ST in Pondicherry campus. And in Karakal campus, the new seat structure is 20 for unreserved candidate, 4 for EWS, 12 for OBC, 6 for SC, 3 for ST and 1 for NRI candidate. So this is one of the good news for all the NEET UGs who appeared this year. So the fourth news is for the FMG candidate, foreign medical graduates. So the fourth news is regarding NBE invites application for FMG December 2020. As in my initial video only, I have already told that NBA is going to conduct FMG 2020 on 4th of December. So availability of info bulletin is started available from the 7th of October 2020. Online submission of application form has started from 8th of October 2020. The exam date, as you all know, it is 4th of December 2020, and the declaration of the result is on 20th of December 2020. So I want to wish you all the best. So it is a licensing exam, and all the best for you all. Final news is regarding INI-CET AIMS revised schedule for the PG entrance 2021. So in my last video, I have already told that INI-CET is a common exam for AIMS, JIPMER, NIMHANS as well as PGI. So this will be the only exam to get admission in PG courses in these all colleges. So the INI-CET has uploaded its revised schedule, that the prospectus is uploaded on 9th of October 2020. The registration code generation has been started from 9th of October 2020, and it will end, the last date is on 26th of October 2020 till 5 p.m. in the evening. So I think this video was much informative and maybe helpful to you all. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.